Hello, welcome to day one of LRI Engineering's National Accessibility Week information series. In this video, we will discuss National Accessibility Week and highlight its importance and the goals that it aims to achieve. National Accessibility Week is a time for Canadians to promote inclusion and accessibility in our communities and workplaces, to celebrate the contributions of Canadians with disabilities as well as our progress, and to be inspired to further break down accessibility barriers. It is also an opportunity to recognize the efforts of Canadians who are actively removing barriers and ensuring persons with disabilities have an equal chance to participate in all aspects of Canadian society. In the spring of 2017, the Honourable Carla Qualtrough, Minister of Sport and Persons with Disabilities, launched National Accessibility Week, an annual national week devoted to inclusion and accessibility. Accessibility Week begins on the last Sunday of May. National Accessibility Week has been legislated by the Accessible Canada Act that came into force in June 2019, which means that it must take place every year. Now, in 2020, we are proud to celebrate our fourth National Accessibility Week that continues to promote the importance of accessibility and highlight the initiatives our government and its partners are undertaking to bring about necessary change. Accessibility Week aims to raise awareness towards the importance of making Canada accessible for all, so that all Canadians have equal opportunities, such as access to employment as well as services. We are also given the opportunity to celebrate diversity and recognize the value that persons with disability bring to our community. Changing people's mindset towards disability and moving away from harmful stigma and stereotypes is also an important aspect of Accessibility Week. Citizens with disabilities are sometimes prevented from full involvement in their communities because of the accessibility barriers they encounter. Barriers limit the things people with disabilities can do, the places they can go, or the ways other community members interact with them. Some barriers include physical barriers, such as features of buildings or spaces that limit people's access. Communication barriers include information in formats people cannot access. Technological barriers arise with technology that relies on senses or movements that not everyone can use or make. Organizational barriers such as policies, practices, or procedures that put people with disabilities at a disadvantage, and attitudinal barriers which involve people lacking understanding about disability or believing stereotypes. National Accessibility Week gives us the chance to honor people committed to removing these barriers. When we break down barriers, we make sure people with disabilities have the same opportunities as their fellow community members. This online training has been produced and presented by LRI Engineering Incorporated. LRI is a Canadian professional engineering firm specializing in emergency planning, fire protection engineering, building and fire code consulting, and accessibility consulting services. For more information about LRI and how we can help you, please visit our website, follow us on social media, or call us today. Our country's diversity is our strength, and when we include persons with disabilities, we create a stronger Canada for everyone. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and take care.